Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can link eBay with TransferWise. So let's get started. First, log into your eBay account. Once you're logged in, go to the My eBay section. Under My eBay, click on the Account tab, and here you'll find the Payments option. Now, under Payments, click on Add Payment option. Depending on your location, eBay will show you different available methods. In most cases, you'll see the option to add a credit or debit card. Go ahead and select that, then hit Continue. At this stage, all you need to do is enter the details of your Wise debit card that includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you've filled in the information, click Continue to save the changes. And that's it. Your Wise account is now successfully linked to eBay through your Wise debit card. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can close your Wise account permanently. First, log into your Wise account. Click on the drop-down menu with your account name. Once you're on the account settings page, scroll all the way down until you find the option Close your account. Before you continue, Wise recommends downloading any statements, receipts, or reports you might need, since you won't be able to access them after closing the account. When you're ready, click Start Account Closure. Wise will then ask you a few questions like why you're closing your account. For example, you might simply select, I no longer need this account. They'll also show you what happens when you close it. For instance, your Wise debit card will be deactivated, your details for receiving payments will no longer work, and your payment request links will stop functioning. So, make sure everything is in order before moving forward. If you're sure about closing your account, click Close Account. Finally, Wise will ask you to enter your password to confirm it's really you. Once you do that and click Done, you should see a confirmation page showing that your account has been successfully closed. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can link TransferWise to PayPal Business. So let's get started. Linking your Wise account to PayPal Business lets you move money between the two platforms and get paid more easily. Here's how it works. First, log into your PayPal Business account and go to Wallet. In the Wallet section, you'll see an option to link a bank account. Click on that. Now, switch over to your Wise account and open your balances. Select the currency you want to connect, for example, USD or Euro. Wise gives you local bank account details like an account number, sort code, or routing number, depending on the currency. Copy these details carefully. Go back to PayPal and paste those details into the form when adding a new bank account. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits to your Wise account for verification. This usually takes a day or two. Once you see the deposits in your Wise account, return to PayPal, enter the amounts, and confirm the link. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use Wise digital card in Japan. So let's get started. Using your Wise virtual card in Japan is super convenient, especially since most stores, cafes, and transport systems accept contactless payments through Apple Pay. With the Wise card, you don't need to carry cash all the time. You can just pay directly in yen using your phone. So let's go ahead and set it up. First, open the Wise app and navigate to the Cards section. Here, you'll see your Wise virtual card. If you don't already have one, just tap on Order Now at the top and follow the steps to get your card. Since I already have mine, you can see right below the card there's an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. That's exactly what we'll use to make contactless payments in Japan. Now, let's go to the Apple Wallet app. Once you're in, tap on the plus button at the top right corner. Choose credit or debit card, and then tap Continue. Here, you'll enter your Wise virtual card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you've added the details, follow the on-screen instructions, and Apple Wallet will verify your card. After it's verified, your Wise card is ready to use. From here, you can pay at any store or restaurant in Japan that accepts Apple Pay. Just hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the payment terminal, and it will charge your Wise balance in Japanese yen. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add bank account in Wise. So let's get started. First, open the Wise app and head over to the Recipients tab, which you'll find in the bottom menu. Once you're there, tap on Add Recipient. At this point, Wise will ask you to select the currency of the account you want to add. Go ahead and pick the one you need. For example, I'm choosing USD for this demonstration. After selecting the currency, tap on Enter Bank Details. Now, Wise will ask who the account belongs to. You'll see three options: yourself, someone else, or a business or organization. In my case, I'll select myself. The next step is to enter your information. Type in your full legal name, your routing number, account number, and then provide your account type, whether it's checking or saving. Double check the details to make sure everything is accurate, and once you're ready, click on Confirm. And that's it. Your bank account has now been successfully added to Wise, and you can use it for future transfers. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create Wise business account from Turkey. So let's get started. If you're in Turkey and want to create a Wise business account, it's important to know that Wise currently does not support business accounts for companies registered in Turkey. This means if your business has a Turkish registered address, you won't be able to get account details or use Wise business features. However, there is a workaround. You can set up a business entity in a supported country, such as the UK, or within the EU, and then register your Wise business account using that company information. The process is simple. Go to wise.com/business, sign up as a business, and provide details like your business name, registration number, official address, website or business description, and verification documents such as IDs and proof of business activity. Wise will also ask for information about the owners or directors of the company. Once submitted, you'll pay a small one-time setup fee, and verification usually takes a few business days. After approval, you can use Wise Business to receive local account details, manage multiple currencies, make batch payments, and integrate with accounting tools, all without monthly fees. In short, while you can't open Wise Business directly in Turkey, registering your business in a supported country gives you full access to the platform. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect TransferWise to Hercules.com. So let's get started. First, open up your browser. Google Chrome works best, and type in Hercules.com. Once you're on the official website, log in to your account with your credentials. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Hercules dashboard. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a tab labeled Account. Hover over it and click. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you'll see your personal details like your first name, last name, and other account information. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the section called Commission Withdrawal. Click on Commission Withdrawal, and you'll see a list of available payment methods. Among these options, choose TransferWise. Once you've selected TransferWise, look for the blue button that says Update Settings. Click on it, and your TransferWise account will be linked successfully to Hercules.com. From now on, whenever you make a withdrawal, Hercules will ask for your Wise account details. Simply provide the required information, and your funds will be transferred directly into your TransferWise account quickly and securely. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.